Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried eggs for beginners. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 to 3 fresh eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter or cooking oil, and a good non-stick frying pan. Also, make sure you have a reliable spatula and a plate ready for your perfectly cooked egg. This simple setup ensures a smooth cooking process from start to finish. Now, let's prepare our pan. Place your non-stick frying pan on the stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. This gentle heat is crucial for even cooking without burning. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil to the pan. Let it melt completely and swirl it around to ensure the entire cooking surface is lightly coated. This creates a non-stick barrier for your egg. With your pan ready, it's time for the egg. Gently crack 1 egg into a small bowl. This helps prevent shell fragments in your pan. Carefully slide the egg from the bowl into the center of your heated pan. For a beautifully runny yolk, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer, more set yolk, extend the cooking time to 4 or 5 minutes. Watch the whites set nicely. Your perfect fried egg is now ready. Using your spatula, gently slide the cooked egg from the pan directly onto your serving plate. For enhanced flavor, sprinkle a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper over the top. Fried eggs are best enjoyed immediately, so serve it right away. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fried egg, a simple yet satisfying meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.